Welcome to science class with Miss TITI. How are you doing? Please always stay safe, wash your hands and use sanitizer, and maintain social distancing. Try not to avoid parties, going to the mall. Be careful, okay? All right. Yesterday we started the topic about other causes of erosion. Other causes of erosion. Last week I taught you about how water can change the land. I taught you that water changes the land. I taught you that. And now, before I start this topic today, I want to bring something to your reminder so that you can understand this topic. I've told you we'll take this topic slowly so that you can understand. Now, before I start this topic, do you remember weathering? I taught you weathering and erosion are slow change. They change the land slowly. Then I said weathering is when water, ice, or wind breaks down rock into smaller pieces. Again, weathering is when water, ice, or wind breaks down rock into smaller pieces. And last week we talked about how water and ice breaks the rock. I know you remember this. Then I told you how water erosion washed away the top layer soil. I taught you this last week. So please always check the former videos in case you have any issue with any of the topics, because it's a topic that will have different parts for. So always watch the video. So you need to always remember this. Weathering is when water, number one, water, number two, ice, and number three, wind breaks down rock into smaller pieces. Please, weathering and erosion is not the same. Okay, the only similarities is they are slow change. They are slow change. They change the land slowly, okay, and they take a longer time. All right, so let's start today's topic. Wind can also weather rocks. Wind can also weather rock. Can you see it here? Wind can also break rock. Wind can also break rocks. Okay, breaks, weather, break it into pieces. Then wind blows sand and soil against rock. I will be attaching pictures in my slide for you to understand. Wind blows sand and soil against rock. Do you remember I told you erosion is a washing away of the topsoil or sand? Now, if the wind blows, it can blow sand and soil against rock, and what will happen? Tiny bits break off. Now, if the wind blows sand and soil against the rock, what will happen? Then small, tiny, little, small, yes, very tiny, very little bits, small rocks breaks off. I know you remember this now. So if the wind blows sand and soil against rock, the rock will break off little by little. Then the rock slowly change. I told you weathering is what? Is a slow change. Then when this happens, when the wind breaks the rock slowly change. It will not change like it will break it into two. No, it will change slowly. Again, let me take it again. For you to understand this topic, you need to understand that weathering is when water, ice, or wind breaks down rock into smaller pieces. So what are the things that break rocks? Always remember water, ice, or wind. Now let's come to the wind. How does the wind break rock into smaller pieces? How does the wind break rock into smaller pieces? I think you understand. And then I said wind can also break rock. Wind can also weather rock. Then wind blows sand and soil against rock. Then tiny bits breaks off. Small, tiny, little. Then the rock slowly change. When the rock started breaking little by little, the rock will start changing. Then that is all. So I hope you understand this video. And please, in case you have any question, send me a message. And in case you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. Bye.